часто ждете жирной мордой.
Привет.
Масюня. Маленький Масюня. Маленький. Маленький Масюня. Маленький. На. Ой.
Почему мама там такая?
Should give it a few licks.
Ничего, ты тебе будешь нравиться.
Не знаю. Придется подождать.
Oh, look at that fly. Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, so how do I... Хороший. Хороший. Дейзи. Дейзи. Ты Дейзи маленький.
What does Yuri do?
He's a professional rock musician.
Oh, that's right. Musician.
Yes.
Music.
Yep. Okay. So we will wait for those people to choose.
And what you're interested in is a female?
Yeah.
Okay.
Female, the darker the better.
The darker the better? Oh, okay.
So I think it would be green, right?
Is that what it is?
Because I can tell this one's white.
Yes, that one's white.
That one's dark, that one's dark. That one's God knows what.
So is green the darkest female?
I think she's
Oh, that's okay.
she's
Go
nursing.
ahead.
She's nursing. I don't want them.
Don't worry about that. She doesn't care.
Look at her. She cares.
Well, she
Aw.
cares for them, but she's not upset. She wouldn't come out and eat if she was concerned.
Who's purring? Her or
She
okay.
is. She is. She's purring. She's just cuddled up with her babies because she loves them.
She loves her baby. Of course she loves her baby. Look how different they are already.
Yes, they
at
are.
this age. See, this one's like in between.
That red is the darkest.
Red is the darkest.
Mm-hmm. That's a male.
And that's male. So males are red and purple.
Yes.
Right. So these girls are sort of light, and so the only remaining one is green female.
So pull out green and see what color green is.
She's eating.
That's all right. They have all day to eat.
There she is.
It's probably a champagne.
Mm-hmm. So I think that's what I should be
So
interested in.
I'll put your name on that one,
Mm-hmm.
and they can choose from everything else.
Let's do that. I can give you the deposit if you want.
$25.
Dollars?
Yes. For
I can give you 100.
give me 25
Okay.
because I don't like to be holding.
Здесь $25.
Да.
I don't like to be holding a lot of money.
If you want, it's your choice.
But yeah, that's my choice.
That's the darkest one.
Now they can only be champagne or platinum in this litter. Now in the next litter, I can have any color.
Which is October.
The one that's pregnant, she could have natural, or blue, or champagne or platinum.
Oh my god. And she's due in October, right?
Yeah, and I don't know when. I goofed. I didn't write it down.
I see.
These were due on Friday. They were born on Saturday.
Yeah, I know.
That's the way I like it.
I know.
I like
not
to know.
Not Friday the 13th.
But they were born on the 14th.
Yes, on Yom Kippur.
Is that what it was?
Yep. She's eating. No, she's not eating anymore. Yay. She's not eating anymore. This is my kitty. Mine.
No, it could be a platinum solid. You know. It might not be a champagne.
We'll wait.
You really prefer a champagne?
Mm-hmm. But if she likes me, we'll ask her when she's a little older. Right? Come on, shush. Meow. Mama. Where's my mama? I want my mama.
Are you going to play music while you're here?
She already did.
You already did.
Many times.